Now dear students, we will check how we can write an infinite do while loop. As we have studied in the do while loop that first we write the do, then we write the body of the do, then after that we write the while, and in these round brackets we write the condition against which this while loop should do while loop should execute. So what if we want to execute this infinitely? For that we will write in the condition place we will write 1, which means while 1 means it's true. So when the controller will first execute all the statements in the body in the do body, then we'll check that if while is equal to 1 it will again execute. So while 1 means that the condition is always true. So let's comment this. We have added a multi-line command. Let's save our project and let's test this, that how will this behave. Let's add over here do, and in the body let's write digital write. Let's this time blink the LED at pin number 7, and let's add high and give a delay of 500 millisecond. Then write digital write pin number 7. Let's turn the LED off by giving a low signal, then add a delay of 500. Let's also print serial dot print on the monitor the value of I. We have already declared the variable I, and let's increment this each time a loop will execute. And let's add the while condition. We have missed that. We will add write while 1 to specify that this will infinitely be executed. So the controller will write do, and then we'll blink the LED, and then we'll print the value of I on the serial monitor. So let's save this and let's run the simulation. Now you can see that yellow LED is on, and we have these over here. The numbers are printed each time that loop is executed. So let's stop and let's change the time. Let's say if we write over here 50, so that we can see that this will execute more fastly. So let's remove this serial monitor data. Let's run the simulation. Now you can see that due to lag in the simulation, you are constantly seeing that the LED is on. Let's stop this. Let's change the time. Let's say if we use 250, hopefully we can see in our simulation. Let's clear the data and let's run the simulation. Now we can see that blinking, and now you can see that we have the serial monitor printing the value, the number of times the loop has executed. So in this way you can write your loops infinitely. These are helpful in some situations, but they are very rare to be used. But in certain conditions, sometimes we use these type of infinite loops. So hope you have understood the 3 different types of loops and how you can execute them infinitely. Like in the for loop, you write just 2 semicolons in the condition, and that for loop will execute infinitely. Similarly, in the while loop, you write while, and in the condition write 1. And if you want to execute do while infinitely, then in the do and in the while condition you will write 1. So hopefully you have understood the infinite loops.